One of the hardest times was your jail time in Thailand. Can you tell us a bit about that?
It was not one of the hardest times, it was the hardest time of my life. It's difficult to imagine that it was in 2015, but it's immoral. For example, the building was where I was located, we were 700 people. You don't have beds, you sleep on the ground. The first cell where I was staying, we were like 50 people in a 30 square meters cell. There is a big bucket of water for 50 people. You have one basket for everybody. And you take your shower, you brush your teeth, and you do whatever you need, that your body needs to do there. I had a deal with this fake UK policeman, Paul Finnegan, with Patrick Mahoney. I had to do this fake confession and serve less than 6 months. That didn't happen. They manipulated me and my wife. I was eligible to be transferred back to Switzerland to finish my sentence in September 2016. They even gave me like my day of release. It was, if I do remember well, the 15th of September 2016. I was ready to go. I packed my stuff, I said bye to everybody, and the day of my release came because Najib Razak came in an official visit to Thailand and he stopped the transfer. The Thai tried to have me extradited to Malaysia. Switzerland at that time knew my case. So they fought so hard, thanks to the Swiss authorities, thanks to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, that went to the UN in New York to have a special meeting with some Thai minister. I wasn't transferred to Malaysia, but I was lucky, and I don't wish people to die, but the ex-king of Thailand died in October. The new king gave an amnesty. I was released in December 2016.